Last Tuesday, November 27, 2007, Kakampi Online covers the third annual PopDev Media Awards held at Traders Hotel, Metro Manila. This event is to recognize dedicated practitioners who had been instrumental in disseminating information and proper values on population and development. The awards night started with a speech from Honorable Nerissa Corazon Sun Ruiz, chairperson of Philippine Legislators Committee on Population and Development Foundation, Incorporated, or PLCPD.
It is the same lens that these distinguished members of the mass media are now employing in order to magnify the news and stories that weigh heavily on human development, and we are truly inspired and doubly encouraged by their contributions, whether in print, electronic, or broadcast. We can only hope that their tribe will multiply 100-fold, and they will always strive to do even better.
Winners of the PopDev Media Awards came from various organizations around the country. PCIJ bagged the title of being Best in Opinion Writing for Ms. Samira Gutok's article entitled Confronting Peace, Battling Stereotypes, which deals on her becoming a peace journalist in Mindanao. On the other hand, GMA News TV was awarded Best in TV Documentary for J. Taruk's P36 episode on Eyewitness. The program continues as the event chair also introduces a book entitled The Annual Population Development Media Awards that contains PopDev's previous winning articles. The chair also stated PopDev's importance to media as well as to society.
Importante ito dahil dapat kilalanin talaga yung pagpipilihan ng ating mga media practitioners na patinggan rin yung issue ng populasyon at ng kahirapan at ano ang pamahalaan at ng ibang sektor para i-address itong issue na ito.
PopDev is a combined program made by the Philippine Legislators Committee on Population and Development Foundation, Incorporated, and the United Nations Population Fund. Currently, it has three major categories, which are print, online, and broadcast media. This is Ivy Valencia with Jen Lasana for Kakampi Online.